Hello everyone and welcome to my channel, Tuner on Security. In this video I'm going to show you how to solve a CTF challenge from Yellow Yak CTF. The challenge is called How Did the Story Continue? I've summarized the most important information about the challenge here. The task is to decrypt a text in order to find the flag. You'll find a link to the challenge in the video description below. Let's jump into the challenge. Here we have the Yellow Yak website. How did the story continue? How hard can it actually be to find the key, or at least a replacement? Check it out. Here we have some sort of crypto text. So I'm gonna copy this text and put it into CyberChef and see what we can bake. Here we have the input. Let's see what we have for decryption or encryption. I'm guessing this is some sort of rather simple crypto. Maybe it's a ROF 13. Let's try it. No, that doesn't look very promising. It could be a Vigenère cipher, perhaps. In that case, we'll need to find a key. And for that, I'm going to use a different tool. So here we have a Vigenère cipher breaker. And let's add our text. And I think we could probably look for a shorter, no, okay, it was super quick, so I didn't even need to shorten the key length. It has found the key, crypto. And here we have the decoded message. And there's a lot of text here. Let's read through it. As the seasons unfolded, the magic that Malte, that's the rabbit we came across in a previous challenge, the magic that Malte had brought to the enchanted forest continued to blossom. The once hidden wonders revealed themselves in more spectacular ways, and the creatures of the forest found new ways to live harmoniously. Okay, there's a lot to read here. Let's skip to the key, or the flag rather. The text now read Fika pause, perhaps, embedded in curly brackets and prepended by the usual Yellow Yak CTF. So that's our flag. And that's Swedish for perhaps a coffee break. So that solves the challenge. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.